discrimination of words similar in sounds. Today we are going to do the confusing words which always confuse us. Why? Because of the similar in sounds, like D-E-S-C-E-N-T, decent, D-E-C-E-N-T, decent, and D-I-S-S-E-N-T is also decent. But they all three are different in their meaning. Let's go through their meanings. My friend claims descent from a royal family. Means origin. This descent means belongs to the royal family. And this decent, he is a decent fellow. You say na, you are very decent, he is very decent, means respectable one. D-I-S-S-E-N-T, I dissent from your opinion, means I deny your opinion. My opinion is different from yours.